Welcome to online spoken English class. In this video you will learn basic sentences to speak English with kids. Never कभी नहीं. Clean it इसे साफ करो. Wake up जाग जाओ. Be happy खुश रहो. Repeat after me मेरे पीछे दोहराओ. Try again दोबारा कोशिश करो. Get up उठ जाओ. Let's play a game. चलो एक खेल खेलते हैं. Stand still. सीधे खड़े रहो. Don't move. हिलो मत. Go upstairs. ऊपर जाओ. Come downstairs. नीचे आओ. Look here. इधर देखो.